Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Skate game crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings. Now choose device and connections, then Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. So after doing this, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check internet connection. So for that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, then test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. After doing this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Skate update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to clear Skate cache. For that, press Xbox guide, then go to my games and apps, then click on see all option. Here search for Skate, then press menu, then choose manage game and add-ons. Then tap on save data, then click on reserved space and finally tap on clear reserved space. So after this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to remove and re-add account. First, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account once again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the update process. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to check storage space. So for that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then settings, then system, then select storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, next solution is to reinstall Skate. So for that, open Xbox button controller. Now move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select Skate game, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Skate's official website and download the game and then see if it's working. If not, next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do or else they will resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.